That's good.
Hello everybody, and welcome to an ending game of a PubG. I've killed 0 people and fired 0 shots, and there are 8 people left. Now I'm joined by the Edit Master.
Hello.
Yep. So, this week queued up for a PubG game, and I've fired 0 shots, killed 0 people, and I've seen nobody. I've been alone the entire game and my teammate died, so I haven't even seen my teammate.
Yep.
There are legitimately 7 people left in this circle. Oh, hi there.
Wow, this is the first person you've seen. Oof. Oof, my friend.
Oh my god, my aim is trash!
As soon as you start recording, it's like trash aim.
But yeah, evidently. I mean, like, I haven't gotten to warm up either. Like, I haven't gotten to warm up at all. This is like me, like, bare bones right now.
It's true. It's true.
It's true, my boys.
And I'm playing PubG Mobile right now because I'm a cool kid. And I'm not edgy at all, totally. Oh, 9 kills. Let's go.
Shut up.
Okay.
Oh my god! There are 4 people left. What? Lunch.
There's 13 alive in this game, and I've killed my own.
Shut the fuck up. I'm getting sweaty. Alright, you can talk now.
No, I can't. The sweat is real.
Oh my god, there are 3! Oh god!
Oh my god! What is happening? Have you gotten 1 kill?
No.
How is this happening?
Oh my god, I got a kill!
Yes! Oh my god, it's a 1v1, dude!
I just have to outplay him.
You do. Dude. Okay, you didn't get skunked. This is it. This is it, dude.
Shut up! Shut up!
Bring up the chicken dinner!
Shut up!
No pressure.
Shut the fuck up, okay? This is only like the 2nd person I have to kill. I just have to outplay this man, which is highly unlikely because I have like shit gear. We won't actually. It's not that shit. Okay. Okay, we are. He's in the hills, like he has to be.
11 kills.
He has to be in these hills. He's like, there's nowhere else he could be. I hit him. I know where he is. I know where this man is.
Oh my god, Cameron!
Shut the fuck up, dick cunt.
Oh my god!
Oh my god, let's go! Oh my god! There it is, boys! Oh my god!
You did that by yourself!
Like and subscribe for that clip! And
I'm gonna nut to that. I'm going to nut to this clip.
that was a 4-minute recording!
Bet I won't.
That was a 4-minute recording! Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Guys, drop a like. Subscribe for that. That was the best thing I think I've ever done. That kid's probably salty. Oh my god.
2 kills.
2 kills to win PUBG. Hand me my church code and let me party.
Oh my god. Cameron, you absolute legend. What even?
I'll record the next match too, because oh my god.
Dude, it's a 1v1 on phone PUBG right now, dude. I'm in the same situation. I have 11 kills.
Oh boys, we gotta wait for him to get off phone PUBG. So I'll record our next match, guys. What do you mean? If you enjoy this
I've never
clip
got
here,
dinner. Just letting you know that.
if you enjoyed this clip, please hit the like button, subscribe for more. Anyway, guys, I'll catch you all later. Peace.